Okay, so we received another product that we're going to take a look at. So let's go ahead and get it opened up. It came with some directions, right?
Yes, came with these nice little directions.
Yeah.
It is from Caregiver Smart Solutions.
Yeah.
So it's kind of a home monitoring kit.
Mm-hmm.
It's not anything that involves cameras or anything like that.
Yeah.
It's very non-intrusive.
Yeah.
It's more about sensing motion, sensing temperature, humidity, things like that.
Yeah. So
And
here's what
helping
we
your
got.
loved one age in place is what it's about.
Mm-hmm.
So this is their core kit.
There's a key up here that tells you what all these are.
Mm-hmm.
So we've got the Smart Hub, which is this kind of round disc here. The Smart Hub kind of looks like an Alexa, doesn't it?
Yeah.
And then these three, they call them emergency buttons. It comes with 3 emergency buttons. Those are kind of hard to get out.
Yeah.
Like, so where would you put something like this?
Let's see. They suggest on the nightstand, on a side table in the living room, in the bathroom. That's
Oh,
a good
place,
area.
And now these are the movement sensors.
Yes. Those are the movement sensors. And so that is more like a door or a drawer sensor.
Oh, I see.
And then this little thing.
So the
right,
2 little pieces come together, so you put it on the door so that they.
Yeah.
So that's what that picks up. Okay.
And then this little thing right here
Oh, this
is
there.
actually a, what is that? That's a temperature and humidity sensor.
Okay, so
So
there's that, and it's got a
Place that in the
small
bathroom.
holes in the top.
See if there's actually bathing taking place, you know, the humidity of the
Oh,
shower.
Yeah,
So, yeah,
that's a good idea.
what it works
So
for.
we're going to do a product review video on this and check the ease of setting it up
Mm-hmm.
and the kind of data that we get back. So
Yeah.
stay tuned.